Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you learn to use pad, pocket and fillet. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. So the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this line here and this arc. This arc has 40 millimeters of radius, and the distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint is 80 millimeters. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and select a line, make a line here, and here. Select the arc, center point arc, click here, make an arc here, and go to dimensions. The distance here, 8 millimeters, and the radius here, 40 millimeters of radius. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint here. Now we will make this line here and this one. This line here has 40 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line and the midpoint here is 100 millimeters. So select polyline, click here in this point, make a line here, and make another line here. Go to dimension. The distance here, 40 millimeters. The distance between this line and the midpoint is 100 millimeters. And make sure that this line here is tangent with this arc. And here in the center of this arc, we have a circle with 40 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click here in this point, 40 millimeters of diameter, press OK. And here we have a line with 20 millimeters in the both sides here. And we have these two lines that it is equal. And the angle here, 75 degrees. And the distance between this line and this one, 20 millimeters. So let's create this. Select the polyline. Click here in this point. I will make this sketch and put the dimensions later. So go to constraint, select equal. Select this line and this one. Select this line and this one. And go to dimension. The length here, 20 millimeters. The angle, 75 degrees. And the distance here, 20 millimeters. Now we need to make an extrusion here with 120 millimeters. So leave the sketch and go to pad. The model here, select the symmetric. And the distance here, 120 millimeters. And press OK. Now we will create this cut here. So we will select the front plane again. Go to sketch and select the front plane. Let me rotate this a little bit. And here we will make some reference. So go to external projection and select this point here. And select this line here. Here, select here toggle section view. And we need to create a line here with 60 millimeters and another line here. This point is coincident with this line. So let's create this. Select polyline, click here in this point. Make a line here and make a line here. Go to dimension. The distance here is 60 millimeters. And close this sketch here. Make a line between these 2 points. And leave the sketch and go to pocket. And the distance here is 40 millimeters. It is symmetric, 20 millimeters for each side. So the mode here, select symmetric, the length 40 millimeters, and press OK. Now we have a fillet here with 5 millimeters of radius and a fillet here with 5 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge, the radius here 5 millimeters, and select this edge here. And press OK. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.